It is known as a simple equation. Simple equation. Okay. In other words, if the equation is in the form of ax plus b equal to ax plus b is equal to 0 and a is not equal to 0. Why? Because here if a is 0, x term will become 0. Only one term will remain. Here variable only not there. Then we can't able to say it is a simple equation. For that case only a is not equal to 0. If b is 0, no problem. Okay. So ax plus b is equal to 0 and a is not equal to 0. Such type of equation is known as a simple equation. Is known as a simple equation. So best example is 5x plus 7 is equal to 12. So like this one of the equation I have. Here this equation having only one variable. Only one variable. So it is a simple equation. Okay. So and it is also in the form of ax plus b equal to, if you are bringing this 12 this side, that side also will become 0. 7 minus 12 is equal to 0. So this is having only one variable and it is in the form of ax plus b equal to 0. That's why it is a simple equation. Okay. Now coming to the linear equations. Linear equations. So linear equations are nothing but, here we are going to talk about the degrees. In case of simple equation, only we are taking the number of variables. If only one variable is there, that is a simple equation. If two variables are there, that is not a simple equation. But coming to linear equation, we are going to find, we are going to check their degrees. See, just now 3x square plus 5xy plus 7 equal to 0, one of the equation, and other equation I am taking is 2x plus 5y plus 8 equal to 0, and another equation 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. Like this I have three equations. Now observe the degree of each of the equation. So degree is nothing but what? The maximum exponent of each of the terms we need to decide first. So for this monomial, here in this one, how many terms are there? In this equation, how many terms are there? Let us observe. 1, 2, 3 terms are there. Okay. What is the degree of the first term? 2. Okay. Now what is the degree of the second term? 1, 1. 1 plus 1 always 2. Okay. And coming to the 7. See, degree of the constant term always equal to 0. See, this one we have already did in our previous classes. That's why directly I am entering into the topic. Okay. So what I did not explain, only degree of the variables. So how we have to find out degree? What is the exponent of that variable? We need to find that. So for first term, monomial, 2 is the power. So 2. Here two variables are there, x and y, and x power is 1 and y power also 1. So total power 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. For this monomial also 2. Coming to the constant term always having the degree 0. So here what is the highest value? 2. So the degree of this equation is equal to 2. Degree of this equation is 2. Okay. Then coming to the next equation. 2x. So here only one variable is there and power also 1. So for this term 1 is the degree. And coming to the second term, 5y. Only one variable y is there and its degree also equal to 1. So this term degree also 1. And third one is the constant term. For constant term, the degree is 0. What is the highest value among these three? 1 only. So degree of this equation is equal to 1. And coming to the last. Here only one variable is there, that also, and its power also 1. So degree, and here 0, highest value is 1. Degree is equal to 1. Linear equations are nothing but the equations which are having degree 1 are called the linear equation. So coming to the first equation, degree of the equation is 2. So it is not a linear equation. If the degree of the equation is 2, it is known as quadratic equation. Okay, leave that one way down in now. Linear equations, types of equations. So first one, here coming to the second one. Because degree of this equation is 1, it comes under linear equation. But here how many variables are there in this? 2 variables are there. So its name, this equation name is the linear equation with the 2 variables. Okay, linear equation in 2 variables. Coming to the third one, here also degree 1, that means it is also linear equation, and here only one variable is there, that's why linear equation is one variable. So linear equation in the sense you need to check degree. If degree is equal to 1, then that is a linear equation. Okay, now coming to the second and third, this one and this one. First one is not a linear equation, we have understood. So what is the difference between these two? Here linear equation is having 2 variables, that's why it is linear equation with 2 variables. Here only one variable is there, linear equation in one variable. Our topic name is that one. Our chapter name only linear equation in one variable. But just before this I have variable is known as simple equation. So linear equation in one variable is nothing but simple equation. Okay, that's all. So linear equation in one variable is nothing but simple equation. That means all the linear equations in one variable represent simple equations, but all the simple equations does not represent the linear equation. Okay, see, I have 3x square plus 5x plus 7 is equal to 0. In this equation, variable only one, x. That means it is a simple equation, but degree of this equation is 2. So it is not a linear equation. That's what I am telling. All the linear equations in one variable are become simple equations, but all the simple equations are not represent the linear equations. Okay, so now coming to the next. Here I will give you some of the questions and answer those questions now. Which of the following are linear equations? Which of the following are linear equations? Okay, this is my first question. And first question is 4x plus 6 is equal to 8. Second one is 4x minus 5y is equal to 4x minus 5y is equal to 9. And third question is 5x square plus 6xy minus 4y square is equal to 16. And coming to the fourth question, xy plus yz plus zx is equal to 11. And fifth question is 3x plus 2y minus 6 is equal to 0. And sixth problem is 3 minus 3 equal to 2x plus y. And one more problem is there, that is seventh problem is 7p plus 6q plus 13f plus 11. Sorry, is equal to 11. Okay, now coming to this, what is the question? Which of the following are linear equations? So with these examples, I'll explain very clearly. Observe this. 4x plus 6 is equal to 8. Okay. What is the linear equation? The equation which is having degree 1. Okay. Now observe what is the degree of this equation. So only one variable is there and power also 1. So that is degree equal to 1. So it is a linear equation. Okay. Now coming to the second. So here two variables are there, but what is the degree of this equation? Fine. First term degree is 1. Second term degree also 1. Okay. And this is the constant term, its degree is 0. So completely highest power is 1 only. That means it is also linear equation because the degree equal to 1. Then coming to the third question. First term degree is 2. Highest power is 2. And second term 1, 1, 2 completely. So third term also 2 and the constant term is 0. So highest value of these terms is 2. So degree of this equation is 2. So is that a linear equation? No, if the degree of the equation is 2, it is not a linear equation. When the degree of the equation is equal to 1, then only that is known as a linear equation, and depending on the variables we need to name it as. So in the first example, linear equation with one variable, and coming to equation, so it is known as a linear equation in variables in two variables. Coming to the third one, because degree is 2, it is not a linear equation. And coming to this last problem, P, Q, S, three variables are there. P power is 1, Q power is 1, S power is 1. And 7P is one term, so here complete monomial degree is 1. 6Q also degree of this term is 1. 13H also degree of this term is 1. So completely highest value is 1 only. That's why degree of this equation is equal to 1. So it is a linear equation, but here variables P, Q, S, linear equation in three variables. Okay, then so it is a linear equation. Now coming to this one, what is the degree of this term? 1 plus 1, 2. And y is already given, 2 variables, so 1 plus 1, again 2. Zx, 1 plus 1, 2. So what is the degree of this equation? 2. So it is not a linear equation. Not a linear equation. That's all. Coming to here, 3x. So for this term, x power is 1. That means degree is 1. And for next term, 2y power is 1. Degree of this term also 1. And it is a constant term, degree is 0. So highest value is 1. So degree of the complete equation is equal to 1. So it is a linear equation. But here the variables are 2. So linear equation in 2 variables. Now coming to the next sixth problem. Here also two variables we have x and y, and they are separated by plus sign. So x to x degree is 1, so y also degree is 1. Complete degree of the equation is 1. So it is also a linear equation, but here two variables are there, so linear equation in two variables. So coming to all these questions, first one represents linear equation in one variable. Okay, linear equation in one variable, and it is also called as simple equation. Now coming to the next type of questions about the simple equations. Which of the following are simple equations? Which of the following are simple equations? For simple equations, we need to check for variable. In case of linear equation, we need to check for degree. Okay. So first question, 3x plus 5 is equal to 40. And my second question is 3x minus 6 is equal to x plus 2. And my third question is 3 is equal to 2x plus y. And my fourth question is x by 3 plus 5 is equal to 0. And coming to the fifth question, x square plus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. And sixth question, 5n minus 6n is equal to 0. And my seventh question, 7c plus 6q plus 13s is equal to 11. And eighth question, 13t minus 26 is equal to 39. So these are the different types of equations. Now coming to the first, they are asking which are the following are simple equations. Simple equation in the sense it must have only one variable. So coming to the first question, how many variables are there in this question? Only one variable x. So it is a simple equation because only one variable is there. And coming to the second one, here also only one variable on both sides, but both sides we have that side. 3x, here also x only. So it is also simple equation. Coming to the third, x, y, two variables are there. So it is not a simple equation. Only one variable we have to get. So x by 3 plus 5. This is also simple equation because only one variable is there, that is x. Coming to the fifth question, x only we have in here, x square, x 3 like that we have. See, coming to these examples, first one having only one variable and degree of that variable also 1. So it is the example for linear equation with one variable also. It is simple equation in one variable is nothing but linear equation in one variable. And coming to the simple equation, this simple equation, it is also linear equation because here degree of this equation is 1. That's why linear equation is one variable. Coming to the third one, degree of this equation is 1 only. Here 2x, y are separate terms. So for 2x 1 only, y also 1 only. Degree is 1. So it is a linear equation but not a simple equation. It is a linear equation in two variables. It is not a simple equation. So linear equation in one variable is a simple equation. Okay. Now coming to the simple third one, only one variable is there and degree of that variable also equal to 1. So it is a linear equation in one variable. Okay. Coming to this one, here only one variable is there, so it is a simple equation. But degree of this equation is 2, so it is not a linear equation. Coming to this one, sixth one, 5n minus 6n. So here two variables are there, so not a simple equation. So try these two words. Okay. Now coming to the solving an equation. How to solve the equations? Having the variable only one side. So one of the example I will give you how to simplify 6m is equal to 12. Okay, solving an equation. So how many size variables are there? Later on I will tell. Solving an equation. How to solve? Solving is nothing but finding the solution. Finding the solution is nothing but finding the root of that equation. Okay. So root means here what is the variable in this equation? M. So what is the value of M? We need to find. That is now solving an equation or solution of the equation or root of the equation. Okay. Now to solve this equation we have three methods. Trial and error method, And next one, transposition method. And without transposition. Without transposition. Okay, now observe the trial and error method. So all this you have did in your previous classes. Then also once again I am revising. Usually we will use transposing method. So we will continue with this method only further. But before that, what are the three methods? Once again we will revise. So in the trial and error method,